Dhyan Chand, the legendary figure in Indian and world hockey, was born on 29th August 1905 in Allahabad. His father was in the British Indian Army. Dhyan Chand spent most of his early time at Jhansi. At the age of 16, Dhyan Chand joined the army and took to serious hockey. As soon as Dhyan Chand joined the army, his tryst with hockey began. Dhyan Chand played a monumental role in India's winning 3 successive Olympic hockey gold medals in 1928 in Amsterdam, in 1932 in Los Angeles and in 1936 in Berlin. In the year 1934, Dhyan Chand was appointed the captain of the Indian hockey team and subsequently captained the gold-winning team at the Berlin Olympics in 1936. Later, in 1937, he was promoted to lieutenant rank. In 1938, he was honoured with the Viceroy's Commission and promoted to an officer's rank. Dhyan Chand is to hockey what Pele is to football and Don Bradman is to cricket. Dhyan Chand was so charismatic on the hockey field that everyone around the world doubted if his stick was made of something else other than wood. In Holland, Dhyan Chand's stick was broken to see if there was a magnet inside, while in Japan they thought it was glue, and Adolf Hitler even offered to buy it. Dhyan Chand remains a legendary figure in Indian and world hockey. His astounding skills have been glorified in various apocryphal stories and anecdotes. In 1956, at the age of 51, he retired from the army with the rank of a major. The government of India honoured him the same year by conferring him the Padma Bhushan, the country's third highest civilian honour. Throughout his career, Dhyan Chand scored more than 1,000 goals. On December 3, 1979, this hockey legend passed away. Dhyan Chand's birthday, August 29, is celebrated as the National Sports Day in India. The President gives away the sports-related awards on this day at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Bureau Report, DD News.